English is Fun presents quiz on preposition. Question number 1. A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. Total questions 10. You have 10 seconds for each questions. Take the complete test and write your score in the comment section so that we can improve further. Wish you best of luck. So, let's begin. Please don't forget to like this video, as your one like is a big motivation for us. Subscribe for more video like this. And don't forget to write your score in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great learning ahead. See you soon, tomorrow.